Hello friends. Okay, so today I'm just giving you a little detour of our baby hot pepper garden. So a little story. We used to have a big chunk of land, like half an acre. We were renting it to grow hot pepper, but our time ran out for it. So we moved here. This is at home actually. It's a home garden. It is a bit small, but we wanted to incorporate the pepper within the existing crops in the home garden. So let me start here, just a little tour. Okay, so these are the baby hot peppers, as you can see. Let me bring you to one that is here, right there. So very nice and clean. After weeding, you have to keep weeding because it's as season change. All right, let me just give you, that's it. We are trying to look for more things to mulch. So a little cassava right there. We didn't remove everything. We just incorporated the pepper within. So we have, this is how big it is. There is this one. It's not as big though. So it starts from there, that end where that, as if sugarcane is. Then we go right there. Then you go. I'm turning around. Then you go right there. Yeah, there is still some grass like in the middle. We've put that for water to keep flowing. Yes, and then we go right up there. There's still some bananas, and then the pepper within the bananas right there, as you can see, guys. Woo. Then some vegetable right there in the middle. So at the end, that side, at the very upper corner, is our house. So let me just keep moving closer. I hope the footage isn't going to be so shaky, so that you can just have a full grasp of the garden. There you go. Is it how nice they look? My mom has been actually taking great care of this. We help when we can, but she's like the major lead in all this. There you go. Wow, very nice and clean and healthy. That noise you're hearing, they are building they are building at the far end. Let me show you. You can see there is that house at the very end, that house here in the corner. It's gonna be beautiful. There you go. And then little sticks at the edge, so that we can easily walk through this without stepping on the crops. And then when you come this side also, now you see the other part is where I was standing. Now this is, so there are those I don't know how, trenches. Yes, trenches to take the water, especially when it rains, because this place is a bit it can get soggy when it's rainy. So all these were devised to help the water to keep moving, so the crops can grow in a healthy manner. And then you get some cabbages there at the very end right there. See some cabbages. And we got our friend the birds. They keep gracing us with their sound. Yeah. Go back up. Right there. And then this water log, guys. Water can log. Now this stayed after that. It's another trench to take the water. Okay. That's a bird. Try to eat some of the fruits in here. They like this tree so much, so they come on this tree just to enjoy some of the fruits on it. Okay, I was showing you this trench of this waterlog. It looks as if it's a bit stale, stagnant, but it actually moves, especially when it rains. And then you get some more. It's quite big. I think it's like half an acre when you add it in total. Wow, I like how nice they look, really. My mom has done a great job at taking care of this. Wow, I like how healthy they look. Mom! Okay, here we call mom mama. So just a few Luganda here. We call mom is mama. Mama in Luganda. So yeah, she's been reducing the bananas because there are more bananas, as you can see. They are now mulching so that she can make room for hot pepper. Mom, these look to be too together. What's this? Mom, chino chichi nakati. Okay, so it's a green vegetable. I was asking her what that is, and she told me, I don't know how they call it in English. I'll look for the name, but here we call it nakati. So, and she was telling me it needs some more medication. That's why it's a bit yellowish. So, and then you get some yams, guys. This place gives actually the best yams. I'll show you a picture of some of the yams that come from here. But this place, I think because it's soaked with water, you'll see that you see at the edge, right there, there's some more yams. Like we used to have more yams in all the waterlog areas. But now the waterlog, since we are making trenches, water keeps moving. Okay, but as you can see, of course, some more yams. Guys, these yams are extremely delicious. Very, very delicious. My mom's yams are like the best. This is my mom's home. So we come here. We don't normally stay here. So we come every once in a while. And personally, I come every once in a while. Sometimes I help out, but most of the time she's doing the work. Some sugarcane. Sugarcanes are reducing. We used to have more sugarcanes in here. But we don't have a lot anymore. They're actually reducing, but sugar canes are also a bliss. Let me come closer so that you can see what it's like. This one is really young. It's young, it's really young, but you can see it's really growing and it becomes big and awesome. Alright, so then our famous banana, matoke. It's our staple food, You you're Ugandan if you eat banana. That's it, staple food. Kabisa, that's how we grow it here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So they're reducing and they're leaving just a few. My mom is leaving just a few in here. Oh, as you can see, that's my little niece. In red, if you can see her, she's brushing her teeth, and yes, and we got some cabbages. Let me come close and I show you. Oh, and we got some peanuts. Oh, let me show you right there. That's peanuts. Okay, back to it. These cabbages, my mom, there was a time she grew them in plenty and they were sold. Oh, let me also and she used to sell them for money to help out at home. So there you go. But these are few, but the ones that she grew for plenty, I'll link a picture and then you can see. Now this is where we get our water, guys. I know it doesn't look like as if it's clean, but trust me, this water is the cleanest. What I showed you earlier, okay, it's not per se the cleanest, but it's like really clean. So this is the water we use. It's I don't know the English word, but I'll look for it and share it with you, how they call this kind of water. But it's here and it's always clean, so you have to come in the morning and get out the water before they come and spoil it or use it up, then that while it's still clean, you remove the one you're using in the kitchen. Yeah, basically this is the water we use here for everything. When it rains, we could get some cleaner water for drinking water, but of course it's not raining every time, and we may use this for literally everything. It has some tiny pores, that's the truth, but still it's clean. It keeps flowing, it has that outlet, so it's like a stream. Yeah, that's the English word. I think it's streams, these streams of water. Yeah, it's clean. Actually, it's cleaner than most of the tap water that has all those medications. But anyway, that's our water. More hot pepper right there, as you can see. Oh my god, guys, you see that thing? It used to be a house for piglets. I had a few piglets. I invested money in building that house, but the piglets really didn't work out as good as we thought they would. So now the house, I feel like I worked hard for. I spent quite a lot of money, but boom, it's now, a waste. It didn't work out for us, but it's there. It's right there. So I feel bad for it. Bad for my dollars that went to it. Okay, let's go back. Now you see we are closer to the house. That's my mom's house. She's trying to, and that next to it is the toilet. Actually, when you're in this kind of waterlogged area, they advise to have a toilet house a little bit raised, a little. And then, okay, she's trying to finish up that house. When we get some money, we'll help out. So yeah, that's our house right there. And now you see that's my little niece coming, and that's my mom on this side. Then my little niece coming in red, my mom coming in floral. It's in the morning, guys. I came early in the morning. Right now it is like 7 a.m. That's when I came to my mom's to check on them. So if I'm shooting so early, some of my siblings are still sleepy, but guys, check this garden. It is so clean. I mean, the weeds, they are naughty. Like, wow, this is how pepper should be. Pepper needs a clean environment. By clean, I mean no weeds. And I like how this is turning out to be. Some more veggies, we eat those. I don't know how those are called in English, but we call them dodo here. We call them dodo. So yeah, we eat those for food or for, yeah. And then of course more things to mulch the garden. We use this for dried maize that makes posho. So after that, it goes to do this kind of mulching work. Guys, I think I finished the tour with you. I've given you a whole tour of trust me. My mom is brushing her teeth while she's working. That's crazy. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't show you this. That's an eggplant. You see it? It's little, but yeah, they eat it. I don't eat an eggplant, but here people do. No, I don't think it's called eggplant. Well, I'll get the right English word, but here we call it intula. I'll confirm with Uncle Google. And then some more bananas. Guys, that's a tour that I've given you. Our small home garden. Yeah, hope you liked it. Thank you so much for sticking through to the end. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. What did you like most about it? Oh, there's that banana. It's getting ready, but it's not yet ready. It has to get bigger than that for it to get ready. And then there's one there that is younger, and then one that is getting ready. You see? And then mine is going to fetch water. You see? That's how she does it. She kneels right there and then dips. But she has to be careful because you can fall in. But man, we grow up doing that from childhood. So by that age, you're good. You're good. Oh, and then there is this other banana that is almost getting ready to be eaten. It's right next to the house. Where is it? I can't see it. There you go. That one. Right next to the house. Good. think this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tour. I sure did enjoy it, but I hope you enjoyed it too. Right. I'll see you in the next video. Keep subscribe and keep following us for more updates on the ventures we'll be doing. I'm more of the cooking side. My mom is more of the farming side. So that's it, guys. I enjoyed this tour with you. So, bye.